Hi, this is a quick video to help you if you don't know how to upload a PDF to answer the last question on this form. You've received an email with a link to this form. Obviously, you're on the form, and an attached PDF on that email. So what you'll want to do is first go back to your email. Let me open up my email. You're going to right click and save the attachment. So I click Save As right on there. I'm going to save it to my desktop, and I'm going to name it with my last name, first name, and BTAP. Okay, so save. There you go. That's done. Now, let me close that. Back at the form that you're filling out. Coming down here to the Submit Your Professional Learning Plan question. Just click Add File, select Files from your device. Let me find the PDF that I just saved. Oh, I'm not on my desktop. Sorry about that. Okay. There's Thomas Christie BTAP. I'm going to click on that, open, and click Upload. I'm not going to click it because I don't want to upload. All right, there you go. Hope that's helpful.